At iUrban Teen, our mission is simple but powerful: to expose and inspire underrepresented youths to build careers in STEM+Arts while building confidence, skills, and a strong sense of belonging. We believe in opening doors, breaking barriers, and building futures one student at a time. Through our collaboration with the NBA Foundation, iUrban Teen launched the dynamic iSports program, where sports meets data science. Teens passionate about athletics are introduced to the power of sports analytics, learning how numbers drive performance, game strategy, and even player recruitment. It's about showing students that the game doesn't stop on the court, it expands into careers in data, journalism, and sports tech. We also believe in connecting our youth to the environment, and that's where programs like iMap and our very own community garden come in. Through iMap, students use GIS mapping and geospatial tech to explore how environmental science intersects with community issues. And in the garden, they learn sustainability, biology, and teamwork, literally watching growth in real time. Then there's iSpace, our program focused on aerospace exploration. With support from industry partners like Blue Origin, students get hands-on with the science of space, engineering, and advanced tech. In iEngineer, students explore careers from chemical to mechanical to software engineering, guided by real-world mentors who look like them and believe in their potential. And let's not forget our signature high-tech STEM summits, where students dive deep into emerging fields like semiconductors, cybersecurity, robotics, and beyond. These summits are packed with interactive workshops, inspiring speakers, and real exposure to cutting-edge industries. At iUrban Teen, we're not just running programs, we're building pathways to confidence, careers, and community. Through every experience, we empower our youth to engage with the world around them, I learn the skills they need to thrive, and I succeed on their own terms. This is iUrban Teen, where access meets opportunity and futures are made.